These are the directions for logging in for the student to take the athletic scrimmage. To begin with, log into your Manatee County website. From your SDMC desktop, click on your athletics tile. You will notice there are two tiles. Be sure to choose the one without the words Math Club. Choose the appropriate grade level. Click on Student. Enter your login information. Click on Take the Test. Your test should look like this. If you are taking your test over 2 days, be sure to save and exit. When you have finished your test, be sure to click Submit when you are finished. If you have taken your test on paper, you will choose the green box titled Use Online AC. AC stands for Answer Card. You will enter the answers from your paper-based test onto your card. Be sure to save your work if you're working over 2 days. And if you are finished, be sure to click Submit. Have fun and good luck!